Hi, my name is Julia and I am creator of the Beautiful Home and Design Ideas channel.
Every video you see here is the result of my personal creative work and passion for interior design. No team, no studio, just me sitting down with an idea I truly want to bring to life. I write 100% of the video scripts myself, sharing my original ideas, tips, and style philosophy. Most videos begin with something specific, a question I keep seeing in the comments, a design rule I've come to disagree with after viewing enough real rooms, or a detail I noticed while designing a space myself. All conclusions and reflections, what I would or wouldn't recommend and why, are my personal opinions. I also try to base my recommendations on real design principles and research into how color, light, and layout affect space rather than simply repeating what's trending. To bring my concepts to life, I create unique custom-made visuals using Midjourney based on my own detailed briefs. For each scene, I write the brief myself, generate numerous options, and discard most of them. The lighting isn't right, the mood doesn't match what the script requires at the moment, or the composition simply doesn't convey what I want to say. I choose rather than settle for the first result. Each video is voiced by me, custom recorded for each script. I'm not a professional voice actor and don't try to imitate one. I prefer the voiceover to sound natural, not perfectly polished. I assemble everything in Movavi, adding transitions, camera movement, and multi-layered sound design for a fully immersive experience. Each image is synchronized with the moment in the audio it refers to, rather than being added according to a fixed schedule. Slower motion for a quiet moment, faster when I want to emphasize something. This isn't about creating the same video with a new title just to get more views. Each video is a small project I work on individually because I truly want to help you think about your own space, not just show you something pretty to scroll past. Thank you for supporting an independent creator. If you enjoy cozy, thoughtful design, subscribe to receive more content.